Welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Today, I want us to travel to Calabar, particularly to University of Calabar, where these post-UTME questions was set from. So, I want us to solve this question together. The question is from UNICAL EGF post-UTME, and the question 1 reads, I am intent dash continuing my course. I am intent dash continuing my course. A, on, with, as, to, and at. We are asked to choose the best option. Now, one thing you must note from this question is that this question is from phrasal verb. Now, what do we mean by phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is a group of words that starts with lexical verb and followed by preposition or adverb. Now, the verb intent, need, is prepared, okay, or is completive. That is the preposition that we go with intent. Okay, so now we have on, with, as, to, and at. And don't forget, when we have phrasal verb that can be used idiomatically, the right preposition that would go with intent is on. So the correct answer here in number 1 or question 1 is intent on, meaning focused on, determined at doing something. When you are strongly determined to do something, you are dogged to do it. That means you intend to continue. So you are determined, or you focus on continuing your course or probably your education. You want to take it to the next level. So the right preposition is on, not with. Intend with, as. No. The best option is option A. Question 2 requires our understanding of what we call lexical antonymy. Lexical antonymy means words and opposite. So, question 1 reads, Ele means sagacity, contrasted sharply with his friend's dash. We are asked to understand the meaning or the semantic implication of the word sagacity. Sagacity means to be wise, to be prudent. So the opposite of being wise or prudent is foolishness. So option D is the opposite of that. So Ele means sagacity contrasted, okay, act in opposition sharply with his friend's foolishness. That means Ele means is knowledgeable, wise, has wisdom, while his friend is the direct opposite, which means foolish. Wisdom would have been synonymous. Plenty would have been his level of eloquence, while timidity would be the state of being afraid. Question 3. This one requires our understanding of our mastery of spelling, accuracy of spelling. Dash equations use letters to stand for numbers. Of course, if you look at the screen very closely, you will agree with me that what the examiner is testing us here is on the spelling of simultaneous. If you do mathematics in secondary school, which is mandatory, you will know the right spelling. So, my viewer, what is your correct answer here? Simultaneous. The answer is option D. So we don't need to waste our time there. You can use your dictionary to confirm this. SIMULTAN. Of course, don't forget there is E before OUS. Simultaneous equation is acting as an adjective pre-modifying the noun equations. So another question here is requiring our understanding of antonyms also. That is words and opposite. The word given prominence here is ferocious. Some people keep ferocious animals as pets. That is wild animals or fierce animals, dangerous animals at home. Okay, in other words, they domesticate fierce animals, ferocious animals. Animals that are supposed to be wild animals have been domesticated. So the opposite will be what? Will be gentle. Fierce is ferocious. So this one is synonyms, and the question requires our understanding of opposite. So the answer will be gentle. Don't forget, this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife. And Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-ife. Should you are interested to enroll in any of the program organized by Akahi Tutors, currently we are preparing students for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nurses, and JUPEP entrance exam. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Should you have any objection to what I've explained so far, or you are not contented with the explanation, you can contact this number for clarity. Thank you.